is your daily dose of internet. This is what a solar eclipse looks like from a plane.
Ooh, that's pretty scary, dude. What if you look at it? Do you go blind? Oh.
Huh? Huh? These fishermen found someone 2 miles off the coast of Florida trying to catch a shark while on an inflatable unicorn.
Do you need help? Hey, bro, do you need help? There's a rod in his hand.
What is he doing over there?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm catching a shark.
You have a shark?
Come on,
They
dude.
eventually went down and saved this person.
Get the rod first.
Okay.
These dogs eventually realized that they were being tricked.
So bad, dude. That's kind of mean.
This person jumped off a highway sign in Los Angeles.
Jeez, that's really underwhelming. Wait.
When you give food to this electric eel, the eel will get excited and light up the sign.
So let's see if we can get him to produce a big old charge here. So I gotta get him interested in food. He's gonna come over this side. You can see it flickering already. Watch this.
Oh!
Look at him just destroy that tilapia.
Wow, that's really cool, man. Okay, but why?
These people bought a scooter for their cat that is paralyzed.
You can do it.
Oh, poor thing, dude.
A photographer recorded this amazing
Aw,
video
dude.
of lightning.
Guys, just I don't want to laugh, but dude, it's like a Roomba.
A photographer recorded this amazing video of lightning bugs at night.
That's kind of cool. Aww.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Oh, what is that? What was that?
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Okay, I can do that. Okay, that was kind of weird.